Nothing sucks like an Electrolux, but does this cheap bottom of the line Electrolux Slimline suck in a good way or a bad way? Well, let's have a look at the machines I've had for a number of years and have done nothing at all with. Let's change that today. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, I've got a bit of a beard on, time of filming this, not entirely sure I like it, but then again I'm also fairly sure that I can't bother to shave it off. So, what can you do? What we can do though, and what we can be certain of, is that this is a vacuum cleaner. It is basic as they get from the late 80s. This is a Slimline Mk2, the second generation. And as you can see, as I unwind the cable manually, it is a very basic machine. It has a slightly chipped plug on it with a pat test sticker. There you go. There's a bit of a chunk taken out of it on the side, but that'll be absolutely fine. I think it's a Volex. Let's take this off. It passed an electrical safety test in 2013. I won't be surprised if that's nearly why I got it. I know that George, Mr. AG123, gave it to me, and he'd have probably got it from a charity shop, knowing him. Oh, I've never seen this brand of plug before. It's like a Volex plug. It's an M-leg. Meh, whatever. Electrolux 156, made in Britain. It is a Z156 from 1989. There we go, number 301. 750 watts in this basic machine. That is all I have to show you on the top. Apart from, I think it's missing the Electrolux logo there. And that one is, I think, a bit faded. If we go around to the back, we can see it's not quite as budget as some would have been. I know that our Electrolux 154 Slimline, the electricity ball special, didn't have a front wheel, it just had a pad. This one, I do actually have the rear wheels. I've just not got them out to film this video because I forgot. But I do have both of the wheels. So that's only a temporary glitch, but again, it's so light that even without wheels, it pulls itself along absolutely fine. So no real bother there. If we lift up the lid, you can see it's a bit dirty. It's very dirty. Let's take the bag out, which isn't genuine, sadly. And inside the filter doesn't seem too bad. I won't take it out because they're quite difficult to get in and out, but there we go, look. Lots of lovely dirt for us to admire. So yeah, not too bad at all. Let's put the bag back in for now. I'm not going to fit a new bag yet. It's been up in the loft for such a long time since George gave us a bit. High time to do something with it. Because the only other tools I have for it is the original hose of the style with the really short, stubbly hose grip. And that's all I have with it. Let's go plug it in and see if it explodes. With that suppressor that'll be sat inside of it somewhere. Turn it on though. Got some good suction. That's the hose making that noise. Right. Very good indeed. machine. So yeah, this is it. It's going to take me a long time to vacuum my entire house. Like that, so it'll do a good job, but although I haven't got the original tools, I have the tools that it should have. Now on your screens now, if I remember, is a picture from a catalogue of, it's the 154 that I used to have, my mother used to have when I was a kid, and it has exactly the same toolkit, and I actually have, they're in black, but a set of black Electrolux wands, which are they've sort of got a pattern on them. Oh, I'm focusing this on. They've got a pattern on them. They're very short and they're very bendy. But this is what this would have had. We would have had, you know, metal extension ones here. Also found this in the shed. Now I think it's not quite exactly one. I think it's an early 500. But this is certainly the style that this has. Ours had a brown one, and this has this one. Probably would have been grey when, you know, the original, but I don't mind missing tools from machines like this because I've got so many Electroluxes with a 3-pin hose that it's just less stuff to store. I'll be honest, I'll probably use this with the set I have for my Electrolux Automatic 345. Just because it's longer, I'm having to bend down a long way. You know what, though? It's got some taste to it. I mean, there's no grooming at all. That's just floating on the top of the carpet with that very base, flat floor head. We're going to get something better. We'll see if this improves matters. Let's try it with the floor tool from said Electrolux Automatic. We'll even use the wand because it'll flex less. Although it's very short now because obviously half the height in this was the end of the hose, but suffer for my art. Oh, that's a lot better already. I like this floor head. Ow! Ow! I like this floor head regardless. It is a very, very nice floor head, and it works perfectly well on this machine. It's almost the same. They didn't get rid of the old stock on this machine, but they didn't. Hey ho. Yeah, it works. It's ridiculously simple. The epitome of a bag in a box with a cable poking out of the back. Certainly very different to this 185 electronic that you have seen on my channel just from the earlier series. This one being from 1985. As you can see, they are the same machine nearly every possible way. I could very easily make this into an electronic by fitting that, although I won't. In fact, yeah, this one hasn't, actually this is a complete design, this one hasn't even got the bag full indicator mouldings underneath, although I'd imagine they won't quite fit because, yeah, that one's dished. Which is understandable. This one might fit on here. Yeah, this one fits on there. Look. Oh yeah, I unplugged it. But it won't fit the other way for obvious reasons. Obviously this one has the benefit of a very terrible, as you know, there we go, automatic cord rewind this one because it is cheap. It doesn't. So you have to wind the cable up. Caught around my toes. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this completes my impromptu, because I wasn't really, I didn't really hunt any of these out. I love a brown one. Must get a brown one day. Might have to be silly on eBay if one turns up. But for now I have these lovely other ones. In fact, this one's not even part of this video. You've had your moment, go away. It's all about this Electrolux 156. Cheap machine, the basic model of the range. Obviously it'll have its rear wheels when I'm done with it. I shall find those. But for now, it's even got the handle at the front. I never like the handles on these because you pick it up and the whole machine flicks up and becomes very unsteady. It's even worse on this one because you can put your hand through this one at least. You can't really on this one. Yeah, they're not. They are so light though. And this has got a fairly full bag. No parking bracket, nothing. I remember ours just used to sit shoved in a cupboard. So yes, this is what I have for my machine. There we are, really. Thank you very much for watching. See this again in the after video, but I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.